see a bag of man a breeze, so me fire 10 shots. She cock it up, me dig it out, and me never take long. We do we want a thing when I take the program. Pass me a light lava, so the set strong. Fight in a...
Hold on. Shout out to Labas, yeah. But man say, hold on. She cock it up, me dig it out, but me never take long. Brother, what you just say, brother? You know, never take long. Brother, what you just say? You never take long. Brother, what you just say? You never take long.
Cloud, I never see the jet land. You see me t-shirt. 60 lady, me
No, me not go leave. I'm upset, brother. I'm upset. What you say, brother? You never tell. Brother, you can't about quickie with them girl. You see when the girl them look sexy. You see when them look good. You see when them... What's up, YouTube? It's a boy. $1 million tie. Stoveman tie. Burn Draws tie. Anyways, we're here with another reaction video to Scotch, Scotch and soda. Okay, and as usual, people, I'm not in Jamaica, so I'm not even sure if this song has been out already. And I try not to listen to the audios because y'all know I react to music videos. I like reacting to music videos. So let's get straight to the video. Let's get 50 likes on the video right now. That's the thing there, is me. I say subscribe because I try 10,000 subscribers. Let's go. 6 bars. Man, I will push the Lamborghini. Have the Rose Rice pan bass. A cigarette. A cigarette there, man. You abundant. I like, yeah, got you.
See me t-shirt. 60 lady, me leave her.
Okay.
She praying that I never leave her.
What you mean?
Yeah, she love a drug stealer.
Boom.
So she love me nice t-shirt.
Oh Lord.
Skinny jeans, man, jealous sneakers.
Okay.
Just splash that
whoa,
sweeter.
Yeah.
Fuck with the 16 and me a sleep.
And him not tell no lyrics on him saying like that. The girl them love the 6 man them. You see me? The girl them, you know say, if you're not say 6, no girl don't want you. But in the Prada, Browning, in a year me the car. Hold on, what they are. Got you.
Somebody drop a dirt.
Oh!
The Glock 40 an expert.
Okay.
Bust it in the face, that's earth. Never be a loser, number 1 first.
Yeah.
Them fool are in a threat.
What?
Standard, there is no contest.
Okay, this one I drink out a 2 cup 1, 3, 4 cup 1 time. But you know what they drink? We drink like a strong back. Somebody that I get rid of now.
The bunty flying right, the broad, the flying left. Why we are rock? Cut our soda.
We are bumping. When you hear that, the man said it, the panty fly right. You see me? I said the bra, I fly left. Me I say fry. When we are fry, Brazil, youth. Got you.
Team we a soldier. General abroad.
I can't listen to that girl. Me nah like that girl like can't listen to a while ago. I'll watch YouTube. No. Voilà. Wait. No. Alright, yeah. So I'll watch YouTube, but you know Kennedy Simone, though. That girl look like Kennedy Simone a while ago, I swear. Got you, though.
Cut a soda, 6 bars on the world team, we a soldier. General abroad, couple badge by my shoulder. This on my neck freeze, but my heart cold. Bobby press the black Benz, me a press the rover.
Yeah.
And Bobby pull up bar down the place soldier.
Rose Rice and thing. Alright, so basically what I get from the video so far is like, it's a chill. It's a vibe thing, you see me I say? Basically, it's a braff in music video, basically. Nobody, not really this subliminal, this a go on for real, yes, but you don't know me to pick it up. I mean, I review game that long, but you don't know, so this always a go on somewhere in the music, we just have to just listen keenly. But for yeah, see me, a flex, and a party girl, them have big Rose Rice and everything out there. So yeah, we enjoy ourselves, and that's a go on so far. But I don't see that they want it, I don't see Chronicler yet. Got you.
The Benz box, see a bag of man a breeze, so me fire 10 shots. She cock it up, me dig it out, and me never take long. We do we want a thing when I take the program. Pass me a light lava, so the set strong. Fight in a...
Hold on. Shout out to Labas, yeah. But man say, hold on. She cock it up, me dig it out, but me never take long. Brother, what you just say, brother? You know, never take long. Brother, what you just say? You never take long. Brother, what you just say? You never take long.
cloud, I never see the jet land. You see me t-shirt. 6 till it, me
No, me not go leave. I'm upset, brother. I'm upset. What you say, brother? You never tell. Brother, you can't boss quickie with them girl. You see when the girl them look sexy. You see when them look good. You see when them... We can't boss quickie with no girl. Yo, at 2020 now, brother. Quickie stop boss, dog. Brother, we stop the quickie. We stop the quickie that 2020, brother. We not do them something there again, youth. This is why we are drink them thing here. This is why we are drink them thing here, brother. Strong back. Bring out Ebo me. Lighter! Got you.
She praying that I never leave her.
Okay.
Yeah, she love a drug dealer. So she love me nice t-shirt.
Oh, wait, this one. A chronic lad? No, I'm a chronic lad. Here. But anyways, I weed this man really, yes, sir. I don't pick out the weed like say, yeah, you know you have a snap bag. I pick out the weed. Okay, drug dealer. Got you.
Skinny jeans, Margiela sneakers. Invictus splash that make me sweeter. Fuck with the 16, I be a sleeper.
Okay.
Somebody drop a dirt.
Okay.
The Glock 40, an expert.
What that? How much time you gone through the one weed bag in the video, bro, God? Fire. How much time you gone through the one weed video? One weed bag video. One weed bag in the video, bro, God. Anyways, got you. Got you.
Bust it in the face, that's earth. Never be a loser, number one first.
Okay.
Them fool are in a threat. I stand that there is no
gun. Bring out the gun. So you bring out the Draco, you bring out the Rolls Royce, you bring out the Lamborghini, you bring out the Golad, you bring out the Murcielago, you bring out the little ugly car. Them don't know what them name. Them not ugly as fuck me, fuck around. Oh, they bring out everything, and me I say, yeah, we know say money that them know say can rent car, can tell a friend forward. Obviously, no one know where to carry them, but they come at me. It can't be so the man go own out. We don't have no reason for one all of them carry. Anyways, but come on. Yeah, we know say you can do it, dog.
My company her breast, the bunty flying right, the broad, the flying left. Where we are at? Cut on soda, 6 months on the world team, we a soldier. General abroad, couple batch by my shoulder.
You can't overstand how the man have weed bag a swing in a video and a smoke cigarette. Me is our piece. Why? Somebody daughter get it.
But my heart cold. Cut on soda, 6 months on the world team, we a soldier. General abroad.
So far the video I go on good. Nah, like the video I go on good for real, for a real big man mess. I mean no for fuck. Me no for your fuck. And a squash that. That is not our squash drifting that our car right there, so are not knowing. Me know for your fuck. But so far people have to get, yo, congrats, the video quality up. You see me I say? Yeah, me no joke right there, sir. I'm just like the flow, right? You see me I say? It's the simple and it's smooth and a flow. And thanks for dropping this video in the middle of the week, because some artists now drop no video in the middle of the week, like you know, say the big bad reaction boss there. Anyways, got you. Go on like how you do that, Jay. Move your bum buckle bit. Hold on there. Are you this? Me don't know, I never hear you that. Go on, there you go. Fool them one spot for fool. Fool them one spot for fool.
6 months on the world team, we a soldier.
Hey. And then them go again with the money in the video them. I try to make my jealous people. Like every artist from what day I realize, you know. I react to brick pan brick video and I see my boy say some reload some bumbuckle belt US dollars in the youth. 2 me not have so much $100 bills yet. When I go and do the thing, me I watch you know. Go and do it. Go and flex for me. Go and flex.
Yeah. See me nice t-shirt.
Hey. And video done. Yeah man, when you see that go some video done, man. See that? Video done. Shout out to everybody who behind the scenes, who film the video and edit the video. Big up on yourself. But me another tie out. Fire flames tie out. Subscribe, like, comment your thoughts on the music video. It's been a boy Tyrekejt. Peace out.